Hello, and welcome to Mark's Woodworking Challenges. Yes, you heard that right. I've changed the name of the channel. Back in 2011, I only started this channel to share videos with family and friends, so I didn't really care what name I gave the channel. And in fact, I usually err on the side of anonymity, hence Mark S.L. Smith 1, about as anonymous as you can get. However, that name is no longer really suitable for this channel, and so I've changed it to Mark's Woodworking Challenges. Why that name, you ask? Is that because Mark is woodworking challenged? Well, you would not be entirely wrong about that. However, that was not exactly the reason. As you know, I've some time ago started the Hand Plane Challenge video series. And in the last video, I started a Hand Tool Challenge video series. And in the future, we're going to have a few Power Tool challenges. So I decided that Mark's Woodworking Challenges made sense. So there you have it, a new name for the channel. I hope you stay with me and enjoy the videos that are coming up in the future, as well as the ones we've already done. If you like this channel, please consider subscribing, or hitting the like button, or leaving comments in the comments section. And so, we'll see you next time on Mark's Woodworking Challenges.